It's not coming out. Alright guys, so we're back again. We actually tried to take it apart last night and we pulled this part off where it was actually damaged already. We can actually pull up on it and it comes apart. There's a lot of other parts that stick too much and we try to rip it apart. It'll tear, kind of like you see right here. It actually tore a little, but kind of got sick and tired of trying to pull it apart the right way and get the glue off. We don't need this bottom anymore, so we're gonna end up just taking the cut off wheel to it right now. I'm gonna pull it out. I actually went ahead and bought these coveralls to protect myself from all the fiberglass. I didn't even cut any fiberglass yesterday, but I was still super itchy and I can't deal with fiberglass. So we're gonna go ahead and pull this thing out and take the cut off to it. Alright guys, so all dressed up now, got double gloves on. Really don't want to get that fiberglass on me, but now we're ready to cut. We'll go ahead and start doing that.
Was it the fire burning in me? All of the noise turned into choirs of harmony. Left me with the pieces of forever that you broke. But since you left me alone, I've been high. I've been high. Lately I've been
So the other day, we tried cutting the bottom of the jet ski off. Didn't really work out like I wanted it to. Looks like we're not actually gonna be able to take the bottom of the jet ski off. We're just gonna have to get the motor out of this one, put it in the other one, and hopefully that works the best way. We actually, if you look right here, we have lines from when we cut down all the way around the jet ski. And it does come up a little, but we got tired. We tried breaking the sides off. We actually found out the gunnels are glued all the way under to the bottom of the jet ski. So it's just not gonna work. These jet skis weren't made to take apart. Best way we have is taking the motor out. But we're gonna go ahead and strap this jet ski up, get the front loader, pick it up, put it inside the shop, and start working on getting the motor out. It's not coming out.
Tonight, I'd lie for you, baby. Honestly, you got it right this time. Nothing is out of line. You know I'm wasted thinking about it. You got it right this time. Nothing is out of line. You know I'm wasted thinking about it. Tonight, I'd lie for you, baby. Honestly,
Alright guys, thanks for watching. We're gonna end this one right here. It got late, made a little bit of a mess. You'll get to see that in the next video. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like and subscribe.